like an invisible force is holding you back from realizing your full potential. That constant battle with doubt and fear can be exhausting, leaving you feeling defeated and unworthy. We have all been there, trapped in the clutches of self-limiting beliefs that create barriers to achieving prosperity and abundance. But what if I told you that you possesses the power to shatter those barriers and unleash an unstoppable flow of wealth into your life? Imagine the frustration of feeling stuck, as if an invisible force is holding you back from realizing your full potential. This constant battle with doubt and fear can be exhausting, leaving you feeling defeated and unworthy. It's time to break free from that cycle of negativity and embrace your birthright to a prosperous life. Charles Fillmore, the legendary founder of the Unity Church, proclaimed, "Prosperity is the outworking of the mind's forces." In other words, our thoughts shape our reality. Envision a powerful shift in your mindset. Declare with conviction, "I realize all limiting beliefs that have restricted my growth. I embrace my right to a prosperous life. Prosperity and wealth come to me naturally and joyfully." By speaking this affirmation aloud and believing in them wholeheartedly, you set in motion the transformation you seek. Fillmore taught us harness the power of our minds to manifest our desired realities. Affirm your alignment with life's infinite abundance. I am in harmony with life's endless prosperity. Wealth flows to me with ease. I am thankful for being and my possessions. Every aspect of my life is infused with prosperity. Can you feel the shift happening within you as you repeat these affirmations daily with genuine belief? You will notice opportunities for abundance emerging all around you. Remember that self-made millionaire who overcome poverty by reprogramming his mindset, or that single mother who manifested her dream business through relentless faith. These are real-life examples of people who defied their limitations and aligned with prosperity. Express your gratitude for the universe's generosity. I am grateful for the continuous flow of blessings and prosperity. I am worthy of all wonderful things and lead a life of richness and satisfaction. As Fillmore eloquently stated, prosperity begins with a mental equivalence between the individual and that portion of the universe that he desires to make his own. By embodying gratitude and aligning your thoughts with abundance, you magnetize wealth into your life. Let us shatter the illusion that prosperity is reserved for the privileged few. Each of us has the innate capacity to create a reality of overflowing riches financially, emotionally, and spirituality. Remember, it is your unwavering faith that will act as a catalyst for this change. Replace any doubt with firm belief and walk Watch as your life aligns with your highest aspirations. You have the power to achieve greatness. Embrace it and claim the abundant life that is waiting for you. So, are you ready to step into your power and unleash the prosperity you deserve? Start by writing down these affirmations and repeating them daily. Visualize your desires with crystal clarity and trust the universe infinite generosity. Together we can rise above limiting beliefs and create a reality overflowing with abundance, joy and fulfillment. The journey begins with a single step, a decision to embrace your worthiness and claim the prosperous life that awaits you. Comment below and share your thoughts and experiences with us. We are in this together and I am thrilled to embark on this transformative path with you. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.